Allow me to tell you about the gold package. It's really simple. The gold package includes everything in the silver package. It's $20 more. So you get unlimited listening online, just like with the silver package. But for that $20 more, here's what you get. You get to download every single one of the 16 classes, the audio and the transcript. So you can take that downloaded audio and put it on your iPod, or you can burn it to a CD. You can print out the transcripts, and then you can write your notes. You can read along in the transcript while you're listening, and you can really make use of every single one of these 16 classes. So the gold package, again, it's $20 more than the silver. It's a little more than $1 more per class to have the download audio and the download transcript, which will really just make it easier for you to use and keep it. So if you've got that extra $20 and it makes sense for you, $87 for the gold package, all 16 classes, and you get all the bonuses. And the bonuses includes a workshop with me to be announced. So I'm waiting till I really feel what is that topic that everybody would like to hear. Now that workshop, you'll also be able to purchase it on its own. That workshop is $44. So you can see that the workshop on its own is worth half the price of the gold package. And people do purchase that workshop all by itself, and they will, but you get it totally for free as a bonus with the gold package. So if it makes sense for you, that's all you need to know. Purchase the gold package if it's something you'd like to have. Enjoy.